Hey guys, I am back. Happy New Year's to all the people that I haven't spoken to in probably like 5-6 months, maybe it's been. Anyway, I am back. Happy New Year to everybody. I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas and a beautiful New Year's celebration. And I hope that the year is going absolutely beautiful and blessed for you guys. So with that being said, today's little project, I just picked up one of these Dollar Tree boxes. Actually, I have it in purple and blue as well. And these are iridescent. You can see they show yellow, but then when you look at them, it's pink. But it's beautiful box. So anyway, let's get started. Let's stop with the blabbering. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove these. They come out very easy. They come off, rather, I should say, very easy. Just pick it up. And unfortunately, they do leave that sticky tape residue there. You could probably use some Goo Gone to remove that, but it really doesn't bother me. Towards the end, you could add some ribbon, lace, or whatever you want. So this you could save for another project, but I'm not going to use it here. The next thing that I'm going to do is I want this to be like a jewelry box where it just opens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose, first of all, my best front and which one I want to be the front. Sometimes you will see a lot of scratches on these boxes. So I'm just gonna check. I think this should be my back right here, because this, yeah. So I think this is gonna be my back side. And as for this, they're pretty much even. So I'm gonna use this as my back and this as my back. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm just going to cut on the corner here on both sides. And I'm going to show you why I do that in a moment. It will all make sense. Okay. So now we have this open. And I did cut a little bit extra than I was supposed to. And where's my back side? Right here. Now we're gonna take our glue gun or whatever glue you have handy and just put a decent amount of glue on this. And I have not done a crafty project in so long. I feel so rusty. It's unbelievable. So I'm gonna lay that down. Press down, let it sit for a minute, and there we have it. So that is how we're gonna have our box open, like a jewelry box. Okay, now I would put my little feet on, and I usually use salt shakers for that, or you could use beads, large pearl beads, or whatever you have that you might like to use as feet. So I guess that will be my last step, because I don't have them out right now. And I do have a couple of images that I was thinking of using on this box. Maybe this shimmery image of this girl, this one here, or her. We all love her. Forgot her name. Then I'm kind of partial to this one. I think it kind of lends to the color. But then I also have a purple box that I might use that for. And I love Tilda. Who doesn't love Tilda, right? So I just might go with the Tilda. gonna show you the purple box. Here goes the purple iridescent, and I was thinking maybe this one will go. So I'm going to remove these and start going through goodies. I forgot who gave me this. I'm not sure if it was White. I forgot her name. It's been so long. I've been out of commission. I forgot who gave me this, or did I buy it myself? I'm not even sure. Now we have to be considerate what I actually put to dangle, because you don't want nothing to hinder when you open and close. But it would look nice hanging if it had the feet. So I'm gonna pause this video and I'm gonna go look for some feet. I have the feet, or salt shakers, and that's what I like to use as feet. And I owe some gifts to, I think, 5 or 6 of you guys. I really don't remember who was on that list. I only remember a few. So please, on the last challenge that I had, I did said everyone won. I would have to go back to that video and see, but I don't remember who were the ones that I sent and who were the ones that I didn't. And I do apologize for that. We had a death in the family on July 10th, and it's just been a whole hard journey. Salt shakers, and I think I'm gonna leave them this tall. They look really pretty in white. I do have them in pink and in blue as well, but they're gorgeous. Now, of course, these do come off. These are actual real salt shakers. We usually use these for like party favors, for weddings or anniversaries, and we usually give these out and put them in a little box, and we usually give this out as the anniversary gift. So I am going to make sure these are all tightened, and then I'm gonna glue them on my bottom. So let's do that. I will try to eyeball it. Hopefully I will do a good job. Let me add a glue stick here. And I have 2 of these glue guns, and I have broken the little tip off of both of them. I need to get a new one. Hopefully I won't make a hot mess without the tip on. So let's see how this holds. I'm so scared to add way too much glue. So now you can see it's nice and tall. It's tall enough, actually, I think. Or at least I'm hoping. Yeah, pretty cool. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut along here and hang that edge just underneath, and then add the rest on top. So now that I trimmed away that bottom piece, I'm gonna glue that around. And I'm not sure which way it goes. I think they're double-sided. Well, this side does seem more shiny. So I'm gonna start at the back and glue it just under, so so it will not hinder the opening and closing of the box. And I love doing these. I used to make a lot of these jewelry boxes, makeup organizer boxes. You would see them in my earlier videos. Hello Kitty, I was so into Hello Kitty. So very addicted to Hello Kitty, but not anymore. So I'm going to use this piece of, I believe this is for a neck collar. So I'm going to put this down first. So I have decided to add this beautiful piece of blue aqua teal applique. Hopefully I won't regret it. And I think I should have like added this first, but so no. Let's see. And I've been thinking of using some of these bear images. I just got these off of Pinterest. It's so stinking cute. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. But of course I have to add something gorgeous around the edges. I might use this around the image, or I might use something else. Okay, so I have my cute little image frame. Made a cute little teal bowl. Don't know if I should. Add this there as well. Everything to be poofy. Oh, my dog just burped. Sorry if you heard that. She's been burping a lot lately. It's funny when I'm outside with her and she does it. People just right away assume that it was me. So I'm liking the way this is right here. I'm gonna try to glue this down in the position that it's in as much as possible, because I really like the way it kind of fell together. So I am going to do that.